Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video, and we have a special gift for you this week. Rather than showing one of our trades, we'd like to show you exactly how to take a certain trade. In this case, double tops and double bottoms. We'll show you what they look like and all the rules for entries and stops and all that kind of thing. What I've done actually is clipped out the rules and examples for double tops and double bottoms right out of our Advanced Forex Patterns course. Okay, there's actually a lot more patterns in that course, but this one, the double tops and double bottoms, uses pure price action, so there's no special tools or indicators needed. The trade setup for double tops and bottoms can be used on any time frame. However, big however here, you should always use the correct time frame combinations for finding the best trades. Okay, we have rules about how to take these trades. It's important to understand the context whenever you trade. So let me show you a chart here. This is a 1 hour chart of the Euro US dollar, and you can see that I've circled some tops and bottoms. Like there's a bottom here and a bottom here and a top here and a top here and a couple of bottoms in here. And the thing is, which ones are valid, which ones are not. See, that's what's really important to understand. And that's what this little mini course on trading double tops and bottoms will be all about. Like I said, we'll give you the exact rules for how we do it. And yeah, so there you go. And let us know in the comments what your biggest takeaway was from this video, because we'd love to hear from you. So here's the thing. We are only going to give this to those who actually want it and are serious about taking their trading to the next level. If it's not for you, no problem at all. Just, pass. But if you do want this video, all you need to do is let us know where to send the video to. And the easiest way to do that is just simply join our CC starter service, which is completely free. Absolutely no obligation to do anything, and you'll have full access to this video as well as the video on double tops and double bottoms, as well as lots of other content that we give for free. Okay, and obviously if it's not for you, you can unsubscribe if this kind of stuff isn't for you. Fair enough? I hope so. And please don't forget to hit that like button. We sure appreciate it. We really hope that you enjoy this gift. Thank you so much, and please let us know if you have any questions. Okay? Take care, and happy Easter to everyone.